Start filming. There we go. I'm going to start filming the dishwasher. Brand new GE dishwasher. Second one, brand new, leaking. This time I figured out exactly where the leak is coming from using a mirror and a video camera. The leak is coming from, you'll see that small discoloration, very teeny pinhole in the tub. That's obviously a defect in manufacturing. Once the water starts to spray, you'll see from that discoloration in the center of the screen, and you'll see water start to drip out. And then after I show you the dripping water, oh, here it comes, starting to come out that hole. There it goes. It'll come out, it'll drip down, and normally it would drip into this piece of felt that's underneath there. And the felt would catch it, contain it in there, and kind of distribute it out in the felt. You wouldn't really know what the problem was or where it was coming from. Just be on one's left side or the right side. Now, I'll show you what on the inside, what's the actual cause of this, and how it's a manufacturing problem. What's causing this in the dishwasher is on this rubber strip that they installed. There's a piece of some sort of channel flashing that at the bottom of it, all the way at the bottom, it's got a really sharp corner that comes in contact with the tub. Well, I don't know if it's in manufacturing when they press this in, or if it's in shipping when they're shipping it. That really sharp corner is penetrating that tub wall, and that's what's causing the leaking. I had leaking on this side on the first dishwasher. I now suspect that that was the same problem as I'm having on this one, as I can see that that's just poorly manufactured. Those corners should not come in contact like that. They should have been cut shorter. They don't. I mean, there's really no reason for it to go down that far and hit on the edge there. Anyways, that concludes a problem in the build of the GE dishwasher. Manufacturing defect. Not a design defect, but a manufacturing defect that could be solved by design.